Alright, Stitch is a cool operator, but where's Lilo?
Shut up! I hate you.
This is the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Bro, that's gonna be the intro to my
Stupid things
video.
in the entire world.
That's gonna be the intro to my video.
Good.
When Gus gets on, we should just go Gus, 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 Gus. Gus, 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 Gus. What's that?
Why was that so funny? That's a little gondola. Why was that so funny?
Man, y'all gotta get out more.
Oh my gosh. You lag
Jared's
so
internet
hard.
goes out.
I was plating!
Oh my gosh.
And then I'm gonna shoot.
That sequence of events couldn't have been any better.
Ay, caramba. Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, homie's cracked. Actually,
Just
they're
a
not cracked,
Joker
they're
over
just
there?
idiots.
They're just little butt munches, bro.
Ay,
Seriously, dude, you
caramba.
just call. Seriously, bro, stop screaming. Seriously, seriously, bro. Seriously, I just want to have a good time. Just have some good vibes, and when we're just screaming like that, we just get bad vibes, you know? So just like. Seriously, Jared, what I just said, Polo. Seriously. Jared, please, seriously.
You idiot! I hate you. I just killed a guy. Really?
Check this out.
Don't
I
do
got
drugs.
this thing.
I literally spent like the last 5 minutes.
Here,
trying
Jared,
to
here.
climb. Not. Yeah, oh.
Hey, I got a Mac 10.
Alright, whatever.
Seriously, Jared? Seriously? We're gonna scream again? Look, down here.
Hey, there's another UAV.
Ay, caramba.
Down
Ay,
one.
caramba.
Okay, explain to me how the only thing I could see while he's on a head glitch is his head, and I don't get a freaking headshot, I get a blue. Explain that one.
I got him. That was actually kind of sick.
Hey,
That
I
was
got my
actually
head.
kind of sexy.
I'm coming, bros.
Oh, there's a bunch of guys up there. Oh, there's also a guy on our floor.
Oh, nice.
He's
Oh,
no
he has a
longer
Mac.
on our floor. I cracked him.
Oh, down to.
Oh, damn him.
Got him.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Read.
Damn. One more guy.
Oh, God.
Got him.
Oh, damn.
Probably thinks we're hacking. Too bad it's just an advanced UAV. We're just that good at the game.
This guy's
Come-
tracking me
come-
through the walls.
A-E-I-O-U.
My car 98 is feeling cracked. Just saying.
Shawty, bring a melody in my.
Jared be like,
There's a guy in the little shed. I tagged him,
alright, this guy's cracked out of his freaking mind.
but I'm more cracked. I just tagged him twice with a Pellington and somehow did not crack him.
Polo. Polo.
We just found Justin.
I appreciate your enthusiasm, but when all three of us are shooting at him, She's not as impressive. No, you can't buy him here. Do not buy him here.
Oh my god.
On me. Oh god, there's two of them! Fire shotgun!
Oh my gosh, that was so aggressive. It's 2v2.
They're there.
Oh, well.
You have the map.
That was it.
Oh, we won.
I just pushed that.
Oh!
Dude, I just freaking
didn't know how many teams there were
like
that.
with one Mac 10.
I'm gonna tell these guys they're trash. I'm going to game chat.
Hey, be nice.
I'm going to
and out of the
check.
cliff, gang. Seriously, guys. Seriously, good job. Seriously. You sounded like that last part. Sounded like a Pokemon dying.
Gus, oh god, Gus is gonna see it.
What?
I sent an audio clip. He's just going.
Wait, what is this?
Oh god, he's typing. Oh no. Oh god.
Oh, he says he's launching!
Gus. Nice. It makes me sad.
The hell? I thought we started with a game.
I got disconnected due to a transmission error.
My God, Sean, what the hell?
Don't you dare come talking to me like that, you little fucking bitch. You know what, bro? I'm gonna fuck you. You know what? Get harder, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh, you guys are laughing right now, but you won't be later. You won't be laughing when I'm fucking you. You won't be laughing later. It's real funny. Yeah, it's real funny. It's real funny. We're gonna have a fucking night.
It's just Jer's like moans and farts and
I'm sick and tired of everybody freaking being sick and tired of doing things. Has anybody ever told either of you that you guys both smell like shit? I'm just curious.
frick, bro.
It takes
I
one
can't-
in your wine.
I can't even smell you guys.
You just already know. You can really hear the unemployment in our voices.
Oh, I just got a Mac 10.
about it.
No, yeah.
Should we pull out for Gus?
Nah, dude, I want to get
Damn.
pregnant.
I was gonna make a joke about that too. Oh, there's two. There's two.
Ding, ding, walla bing ding. Walla walla bing ding.
Where did you die? Did you? Oh my god.